This is the Hourglass Unlocked Instant Extensions Mascara. I feel like my entire adult life, I've struggled to find a mascara I truly love. But this one changed everything. I was getting my makeup done by a makeup artist and she used it on me, and I was blown away by how incredible my lashes looked after just one coat. Even after a full day, it stays put without smudging. This mascara gives the look of lash extensions in an instant. It makes lashes look dramatic and long, and they stay that way all day. The formula uses special technology to coat each lash with lightweight fibers that hold them in place, giving a bold, fanned out look that doesn't smudge, flake, or run. Using this mascara is super easy. Start at the base of your lash and swipe up to the tips. One coat works great, but if you want an even more intense effect, you can add more coats for extra definition, length, and lift. This Hourglass Unlocked mascara has definitely become my go-to, and I can't get enough of how it makes my lashes look.